Hello, everyone. My name is Blair Burke, and I am an art teacher at Junction City Middle School in USD 475. I have been teaching art for 2 years at the middle school, and I've been with the district this is my third year here. I am a military spouse originally from Virginia, so Kansas is a little bit different, but I really like it here, and it's definitely grown on me. But unfortunately, we have to PCS at the end of this school year, so we are headed back to Virginia after the duration of this school year. Short-term and long-term professional goals of mine that I have. Long-term, I see myself being a professor at the university I went to in Virginia. I would love to teach my own studio art class there and connect with students on a collegiate level. Short-term, I am excited to be earning my master's degree in May. And obtaining my full professional license. It's been quite the journey having to transfer from Virginia to Georgia and then Kansas and getting all of that figured out. So this has been a long time coming, but I'm very excited to get that behind me and achieve that goal that I've had for so long. Regarding this course, what I hope to learn from this course is just strengthening my curriculum. I came into this art position with not having a curriculum. We don't use a textbook or anything like that, and I know that that's not where the curriculum comes from, and so I was just provided with our state and national standards. So it was a challenge developing the curriculum from the ground up while being a first year art teacher and entering this school year at an unprecedented time when remote learning was still a thing. So I'm excited to strengthen my curriculum and instruction that way and just hear and learn new ideas and get to know all of you and work with you. So that is me, and I look forward to working with y'all and learning and growing alongside y'all.